Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showcasing some of my tried and tested cleaning products from the Dollar Tree, as well as some new home and cleaning finds. Starting off with this dusting cloth from the auto section. Don't be fooled by the placement of this product. It works great to attract dust rather than just moving the dust around. If you have carpet in your home, I like the carpet fresheners from the Dollar Tree. They'll last you forever, and usually they have the Arm & Hammer brand, so look out for that one. I really like having these small trash bags in the car. They're great for road trips and just doing a quick tidy in the car as well. They also had these full-size Comet all-purpose cleaners. Let me know if you've used them. They look like a great value. I do use the Comet powder from the Dollar Tree. Let me know in the comments below. Are you guys Team Ajax or Team Comet? I bought this pink stuff dupe to try out. Let me know if you guys have used it. I also picked up this garbage disposal cleaner to use to clean the sink drain. I like using the baking soda boxes here to keep in my fridge, and they're easy enough to replace every few months. If you're looking to start decanting your pantry items, these containers would be a great start. I would use them for things like lentils and things like that. I haven't seen this cake carrier here before, but it seems like a great price. These wax paper squares are amazing. I did use them to freeze patties initially, but I've also used them as muffin liners and they work great. Shifting from the kitchen to the bathroom, these 3-in-1 cotton sets are perfect for traveling or in a guest bathroom. The cotton rounds and cotton balls are also the best price if you compare them to places like Target or Amazon. I really like the soap savers from the Dollar Tree. They come in a 2-pack and another version where it's just one large one in a pack as well. If you're getting the plastic ones, then get the one large soap saver. The 2 small ones don't really fit well in the soap dish, but these 2 packs are really good. I'm not really sure what they're made out of, but they help prevent the soap bar from sitting in the nasty water and make it last longer. The Dollar Tree brand toilet bowl cleaners work just like Tidy Bowl, and they help keep the toilet bowl cleaner for longer. You can use these gift boxes to hide clutter on your dresser or to help divide things inside a drawer. If you have clothes with sequins that you keep folded in a drawer or maybe tucked away, tissue paper in between the fabric so that it doesn't stick to itself. If you're looking for books to style with, then try removing the Dollar Tree cover on the books and reveal the color underneath. You can also use the picture frames and small mirrors to style bookshelves. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.